Hi there, my name's Adil, and I'm back with some funny facts about something everyone does. Farts can be a little embarrassing, but they are completely natural. Here are 10 fun facts about farts I bet you didn't know. But first, an introduction. Farting is an absolutely normal body function. It allows every living thing to release gas from within. Here's how it works. Gas gets into our digestive tract. The digestive tract is made up of the stomach, small intestine, colon, and rectum. We fart out the buildup of gas in our bodies. This is typically caused by swallowed air. We swallow air throughout the day, including from carbonated beverages or taking in air as we chew. Here are 10 fun facts I bet you didn't know. The original meaning of fart is forth as wind from the bum. This word fart itself was coined in 1962. The average person farts about 14 times each day. Those 14 farts a day are enough to fill up one balloon. Some ways to say fart in code include flatulence, let one rip, passing gas, toot toot, and cut the cheese. If you want to express yourself in Urdu, you can say pad. Farts are made up of hydrogen sulfide, which reduces mitochondrial damage. Smelly farts can be healthy. Thus, the next time you fart, take a nice deep breath and thank the person. Chewing gum and soda drinks make you fart more. So if you know someone who loves chewing gum and drinking soda, maintain your distance from them. Most of the farting happens at night when you are asleep. Boys cut the cheese more than girls. However, girls emit a healthier concentration of hydrogen sulfide, which makes the girl farts healthier to smell. The speed of a fart can be as fast as 10 feet per second. Of all the animals, termites harvest the most farts. After that, sheep, camels, zebras, elephants, dogs, and cows benefit from fart gas. The bum hole is called a sphincter. The smaller the sphincter, the louder the fart will rip. These were 10 fun facts I shared with you. Do you have any fun facts about farting you'd like to share with me? If so, please comment or email me. Until next time, let her rip. Bye.
There's always something new at ToffeeTV. Like and share tons of videos. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.